Well, May's headline inflation print ticked down on the month, but that all-important core figure still sticky. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Jen Schonberger to take a closer look here at these numbers and break down what they mean for the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision on Wednesday. Jennifer?
Good morning, Brad. That's right. The consumer price index on a core basis coming in just a hair above expectations, but overall showing that inflation is on a slow downward trajectory, all but sealing in the case for the Federal Reserve to pause its interest rate hikes at tomorrow's meeting. Now, let me run you through these numbers. I want to focus on core CPI because that's really what the Fed is focused on. That strips out those volatile food and energy prices. That clocked in at 5.3% for May. That compares with 5.2 expected. Now, if we take a look at how this number fits into the trend overall for this year, May, again, 5.3%. Take a look at that compared with the month prior in April, and as far going back to the beginning of this year as January, it's just slightly down from 5.5 to 5.6%. So again, just showing a very slightly edged downward move there. Now, the other key metric in this report to look at is the services excluding housing. This is a key metric that the Fed has been focused on. It has been very sticky this year, but we are seeing progress this month. It clocked in at 4.2% in May. That's down from 5.2% in April, and down from as high as 6-7% earlier this year. So that is some major progress there and something to cheer about for the Fed. Investors certainly looking at this report and thinking that it bodes for a pause for the Fed tomorrow. Take a look at those Fed funds futures, pricing in about a 94% chance that the Fed will not raise rates tomorrow. But even as this trend is signaling slower inflation coming down, it is still elevated on a core basis. And for that reason, we will likely see Fed Chair Powell and company signal that they are not finished raising rates. Guys?
Yes, so a skip instead of a pause, I guess. Thanks, Jen.
Instead of a pause, yes.
Jennifer Schonberger, thank you.